when it comes to networking and female જેટલું expertise કદાચ કોઈ હશે નહીં networkingમાં, because it is actually their cup of tea. But when it comes to female mindset regarding networking, they come to an event or they approach networking with a very narrow mindset, because there is a vast difference between building a network and networking in an event or going to a networking event. So they see as a very small thing that today we have gone, we have exchanged the cards, and we will have a business tomorrow. So that is something that I came across, that females are entering into networking with a very narrow mindset.
Right. I'm really thankful to Sapna, the owner of the Travel Stories, and she's here today to talk about certain ups and downs about females and about travel, because she also has been handling networking named Connect. So can you just tell me something about that?
Okay, so we started with this networking group that is Pan India, that was Connect. And eventually I brought it to Rajkot, Gujarat, and other cities like Jaipur, Mumbai, Surat, and all that. So gradually we grew. In Rajkot, if I talk about, we grew from 4 to 400 members almost within 3 years of span, where we had females from all different sectors of their businesses, whether it is service or product or any kind of, even if they're doing a small business or they are the CEO of the company. So we had all of them under one roof.
સો તમે બહુ બધી ફિમેલ્સના માઇન્ડસેટ હારે રમેલા છો.
Exactly.
તમને એના ગુડ પોઈન્ટ્સ એના બેડ પોઈન્ટ્સ ઘણા અનુભવ થયા હશે.
Yes,
તો કેન યુ
absolutely.
જસ્ટ થોડું શેર કરશો અબાઉટ એક્સપિરિયન્સીસ કે એક વુમન એન્ટરપ્રનર એનું બિઝનેસ કરે છે કે તમારી સાથે ટ્રાવેલ માટે જોડાય છે, તો એક એના માઇન્ડસેટમાં અને એક નોર્મલ પર્સનના એટલે મેલના માઇન્ડસેટમાં તમને શું કંઈ ડિફરન્સ લાગે છે કે નથી લાગતું?
Yeah, of course, there is a lot of difference. Actually, હું તો એવું માનું છું કે when females get together na, wonders happen. But then only thing is they have to come together in that proper synchronization. So what I found, meeting almost 300 400 females in a month, every female, every city has a different mindset that I came across. Every business has a different mindset, and it had a lot role to play in the way they were doing their business. જે લોકોની સર્વિસીસ છે, જે લોકોના પ્રોડક્ટ્સ છે, they had very different views, they had very different experiences that have shaped them into the women they are today. So yes, definitely it was very good learning experience for me also, કે હરેક women પાસેથી, trust me, I have learned some or the other skill. May it be dressing, their mindset, their vision. Somebody had that ambition, somebody coming from a different background and carrying on a different legacy business that they have there into their family and all that. So yes, it was a very much learning experience with each and every female at each and every phase of the time. But yes, I would say one thing, that female, when they come together, wonders happen.
Right.
And I have seen that over a period of time.
So, Sapna, rather than only building packages for people, I have seen that you have leadership quality, you have self-confidence, you are highly educated, right?
Yes.
So all these qualities are in you, and you have been studying a lot before.
Yes.
So what was your journey actually? You've gone through a downfall in life and you have
Yes.
just come back beautifully. સો તમે શું કહેવા માંગશો એની માટે કે ભાઈ લાઈફ ઇઝ અ ટ્રમ્બલ, સો હાવ યુ ગોન થ્રુ ધ બેડ ટાઈમ્સ એન્ડ કમ બેક ટુ વેર યુ વર?
Okay, answering your first thing, we are not only into booking the packages for people, because every person's need and requirement is different.
Right.
First of all, I would tell you that I have learned one thing in life, especially after COVID, that traveling is the best investment that you could have. Trust me, the memories and the investment that you can give it to yourself or your family is traveling.
It helps you grow.
It helps you grow. So when I learned that, downfall માં મેં એક જોયું છે કે સોના દાગીના બી વયા ગયા છે, બંગલોઝ, ઘર બી વયું ગયું છે, લિક્વિડ કેશ બી વયું ગયું છે. The only thing that stays with you is your memory and how you come back. So this was a turning point for me to come into travels business full-fledged, learning that traveling will be your best experience and your best investment that you could do it for yourself, right? So that turned me into travels. Now, when we were discussing about the name of my company, I really wanted authentic and true stories. I wanted to capture that. because I always believe that we are into a business of selling happiness. Travels is business of happiness, right? So we named it Travel Stories, where we can actually, you can live your stories and we can put up your stories. So coming back, that was my first answer. Then coming back to my downfall, yes, I have seen failures. I have seen two downfalls in my life and terribly bad ones. But what shaped me today is because of that. Actually, જેટલું લર્નિંગ મને મારા MBAથી નથી મળ્યું, જેટલું મને મારા એક્સપિરિયન્સથી નથી મળ્યું, or જેટલું મને ટ્રાવેલિંગથી બી નથી મળ્યું, that much I have learned in my tenure of my downfall. And you know, see, it is always how you come back and how much you have learned, and then how much you're willing to then implement that experience in your real life. So that has helped me shape what I am today.
રાઈટ, મને ખ્યાલ છે કે તમે અગર કોઈ ચીજ કોઈને સજેસ્ટ કરો છો કે તમારે અહીંયા જવું જોઈએ, તો તમે પહેલાં પોતે જાઓ, પોતે આખી સ્ટડી કરો ને પછી પ્રોપર ઓથેન્ટિક હોય તો યુ સજેસ્ટ ધ અધર પીપલ. સો વોટ ડુ યુ થિંક દેટ રાજકોટિયન્સ શુડ ગો? દે ડોન્ટ નો. હવે મારે કોઈ ગેસ્ટ આવે બોમ્બેથી, તો આઈ ટેક દેમ ટુ સોમનાથ, આઈ ટેક દેમ ટુ દ્વારકા. એનાથી સિવાય મને કંઈ ખબર જ નથી કે આપણે ક્યાં જઈ શકીએ. સો વોટ ડુ યુ સજેસ્ટ? વેર શુડ અ રાજકોટિયન શુડ ગો વિચ ઇઝ વેરી ક્લોઝ ઓલ્સો, વિચ ઇઝ પોકેટ ફ્રેન્ડલી એન્ડ ફન?
ઓકે, સો રાજકોટ તો ફર્સ્ટ આઈ વુડ સે કે એ લોકો છે ને ટ્રાવેલિંગના બહુ શોખીન છે. રાજકોટ બધી રીતે શોખીન છે, રાઈટ? સો વેન ઇટ કમ્સ ટુ ટ્રાવેલિંગ, ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ વી વિલ આસ્ક દેમ કે તમારી પાસે કેટલા દિવસ છે. ઇફ યુ સે યુ હેવ 3 to 4 days, we have so many surrounding places. We have Polo Forest, and તમે like if you want to cross the borders, then you have a lot of things in Rajasthan. But even before that, તમારે અહીંયા બી કરવું હોય, somewhere near to Gujarat, you obviously have Somnath, you have Dwarka, you have Gir, then you have Kutch, then હમણાં એક નવું અપકમિંગ છે લિટલ રન ઓફ કચ્છ, which is near સુરેન્દ્રનગર. ત્યાં ફર્નની એક પ્રોપર્ટી છે. So that is one option. You have Polo Forest near Ahmedabad. Then if person just wants to go and relax for 2-3 days, તો Neons Resort છે, Madhuban Resort છે. There are so many resorts also nearby that people can go and, you know, just relax over there and spend their 2-3 days of time. So yes, એના માટે we need to study કે લોકોને ફરવા, like if your guest is coming and they want to go દર્શન કરવા છે, ધાર્મિક જવું છે, then we give them Somnath, Dwarka and all that circuit. If they say we just want to go and relax somewhere, then we suggest the properties accordingly.
Right. So your journey, Sapna, has been that Bella, you were a core student.
Yeah.
I hope a good one.
Yes, yes.
And then you were into share markets.
Yes.
Right? And then you were into this traveling thing.
Yes.
And any sathe you used to handle Connect.
Yes.
So when you were handling Connect, there were 5-6 cities and atli badi females ne handle karvu ne era problems, and they must be calling you and questioning you and answering you. So what do you think આખી જર્નીમાંથી સૌથી વધારે what did you enjoy? And if you go back, કે આ મારું regret છે, આ મારે નહોતું કરવું જોતું. Do you have anything like that?
Learning about my journey was, every phase was different, because share market, like my father-in-law was into share market, so that was by default that came to me after marriage. And being like education MBA hatu, so they were like, we can use your expertise. So that time also we had a travels business, but that was a secondary part of the business. Main was share market. Then demonetization happened, so we switched from the main business of share market to travels. So obviously traveling ma jetlu I have learned, etlu that has played a very major role. Then when that business was on the full swing, COVID happened. So 2 years people were like, koye border cross, ઘર ની બારે નથી નીકળે, border cross તો it's different thing. So ત્યારે again that was a second phase of our business. But then after COVID, that business also bounced back. Then in 2021, August around 21, I started with Connect. That opportunity came to me from Ahmedabad, and everybody during COVID, they learned one thing, કે હવે તો સાથે મળીને જ રહેવું પડશે. You know, they all believed into collaboration. આપણે લોકો we have also experienced કે એકબીજાની જરૂર વગર કાંઈ જ નથી થવાનું. So at that time, this opportunity came to me, and I thought કે women empowerment was always my passion, and I was looking forward to connect with women always, because somewhere down I thought કે that was my forte અને હું easily connect થઈ શકું છું. So then I started, we were 3 people, we just met for coffee and આવું કંઈક group start કરીએ, and then it turned out into a very well group. But talking about regret, એક જ regret હું કહીશ કે I should have started, work. I took a gap of almost 10 years when I was waiting for my daughter to be 10 years, પછી full-fledged businessમાં આવું. સો એક વસ્તુ એવું થાય છે કે થોડુંક મારી એક્સપર્ટીઝ વહેલી શરૂ કરી દીધી હોત બેલેન્સિંગ બોથ વિચ આઈ એમ ડુઈંગ રાઇટ નાઉ. I could have started that a little earlier, so maybe I could have stepped, a little further than this also.
So now, how are you enjoying being a social media influencer,
Oh.
social influencer?
See, જેટલું you enjoy, definitely you enjoy that. પણ at times એવું છે કે being a mom, being into office, being, into the family and all, at times એવું થઈ જાય કે ભાઈ નથી જવું, but then still you have to go there and you have to be present. So it's balancing between both. But at the end of the day, yes, I do enjoy that and it is satisfying.
How much do you fight with your husband because you are into the same business, and how do you sort it out?
24/7 એકચ્યુઅલી અમારી પાસે બે પાસે કોઈ ઓપ્શન જ નથી. ઘરે એ જ ભેજા મારી હોય ને ત્યાં ઓફિસમાં એ જ. બટ યસ, ધ બેલેન્સ ઇઝ વેરી ગુડ. વી હેવ ડિસાઇડેડ બિકોઝ સી ધ વે હી sees customer and the way I see it is different. So with the office thing, we have done very good thing. I'm into PR and accounts and he's into operations.
Okay.
I bring the customers, I give the query to him, he works out, he does the operations, and then I finally, get it converted. And then obviously accounts is my part. So I am into accounts and PR and he's into operations.
Right.
And yeah, one rule, ઘરે આવીને no discussion. જે બી છે કાલે ઓફિસ જઈને again we will start back with the same customer. So at home we don't discuss. But though my business is 24/7 business, like we have calls at night. If somebody is traveling, we have to attend the calls and all that. But we have tried to manage and keep both the life different. So that is not a problem.
So when you went into Connect, તમારે બધી સિટીઝમાં જવું પડતું હશે and a lot of time and lot of ભેજામારી. Working with female is a little tedious, right? So એ આટલા time traveling with the family, and how did you handle everything?
I used to travel to 7 cities in a month. That was compulsory, including Jaipur. Now the task was Jaipur ni direct flights છે જ નહીં. So in the morning I used to go to Ahmedabad, સવારે 7:30 ની flight. I reached there at 8:30 or 9. Then my meeting time was 3 to 6. So આખો દિવસ, either into a hotel or airport ઉપર બેસીને studies and how will I take up the meet ahead and all that. I used to plan out. રાતના મને એક જ flight મળતી, that was 9 o'clock. So 10:30 I reach Ahmedabad, my driver is waiting and I come back to Rajkot at 4. So રાતના 4 થી સવારે 4 ની એક cycle was a Jaipur city. For Surat, same thing happens. You have a very selected flight, EB operational and non-operational. So I have to take morning train. I go there, I complete my meeting. Then at night I go to Mumbai. Next day I finish my Mumbai meeting. And then by the time my meeting is over, I don't get the flight. Flight timings are over. So either Ratni train or the third day morning flight, I used to be back. Working with women is the most tricky thing that I have seen in my life. But most એ એક એક્સપિરિયન્સ એવો હતો જેને મને બહુ શીખવાડ્યું છે.
Was it
And
worth traveling so much?
Absolutely worth it. Why? I'll tell you. I have a group of 100 females from all different categories in Jaipur. તમે મને અહીંયા બેસીને કહેશો ને કે I need a doctor in Jaipur, I can give you a number. You say I need a podcast person in Mumbai, I have. You say I need a hotelier in Mumbai, we have. So those connections that we have made over a period of time, not only in your city. See, growing in your city is always good. But growing into these different cities, આજે સુરત જઈને તમે ક્યાંય પણ નહીં અટકો for any of your needs. That is what I have gained over these 3 years of time span.
Right.
And trust me, આજે બી એવું છે કે if I'm going to Surat and if I just, message the group, I have 50 people to have tea with. કે 50 લોકો કે આજે lunch કરીએ, dinner કરીએ, let's go for this, let's go for that. So that is what I have earned over these 3 years of time in all different cities.
So can you share some experience of certain females with them like, oh, it's so funny. કાં તો કોઈ વાર બધા કહેવા પણ એટલો ગુસ્સો આવે છે પણ it would be very poised. એવા કોઈ experience you would like to share?
One guys, female mentality that I came across, they are very short calculative. They are, જેમ કે એક મેલ જ્યારે બિઝનેસમાં જાય ને, they see the business as a very vast over a period of years. કદાચ 20 વર્ષે 30 વર્ષે એ લોકો એ લેવલે પહોંચશે. Whereas females પાસે expertise વધારે છે. When it comes to networking and communication, I'm sure females are like far better than males. Males એટલું કનેક્ટ નહીં કરી શકે જેટલું females કરી શકશે. નેટવર્કિંગની હરેક ક્વોલિટી ફિમેલમાં છે. When it comes to multitasking, when it comes to communication, when it comes to selling. આજે આપણે the way I sell and my husband sells, or maybe a male from my office sells, there's a vast difference. But when it comes to calculative of the sales part કે આજે મળ્યા છીએ and tomorrow I want you to do business with me. That is not how it works. When they come in the networking, એક કે બે meeting attend કરી છે અને એક major difference what I found was they come to networking with the mindset કે આજે મને અહીંયાથી વેચીને જ ઊભું થવું છે. So that is not how business works. First of all, I believe that networking is not selling. You are not here to sell products. You are here to make that connections કે કદાચ 2 વર્ષે 4 વર્ષે પણ તમને એ connection આવશે.
Right.
And how business happens is Boski, how often you meet people in a network. તો જ્યારે તમને એ જરૂર છે તમને at that moment who strikes you. For that you have to make that connection with them and a genuine connection because your vibes will not lie. At times when we are sitting on the round table, everybody is discussing their business. So e mindset તમે you can see the mindset કે ભાઈ અગર હું આની પ્રોડક્ટ નહીં લઉં તો she's not interested into me or she's just here to sell. She's not interested into listening to the other part of somebody's stories. So female નું આ એક બહુ narrow mind, that narrow vision of networking. અરે to build a business it takes years and years, right? It is not an overnight game. So for that they are not that much of patience કે કદાચ 5 meeting 7 meeting 10 meeting પછી બી તમારો બિઝનેસ નહીં થાય બટ દેન વોટ જે તમે મહેનત કરી છે 10 મિટિંગમાં મે બી ઇન ધ નેક્સ્ટ યર ઇટ વિલ શો and this specifically happens at the time of renewal. See, every year we have the renewal, right, for the membership. ત્યારે શું થાય કે મેડમ મને તો બહુ બિઝનેસ નથી મળ્યો કે why do I renew, how do I renew, બટ એ લોકોને એ નથી સમજાતું કે આ વર્ષની મહેનત હતી મે બી ફ્રોમ ધ નેક્સ્ટ યર you will start getting the fruits. So you have to be patient for at least for 2-3 years to establish your business. Ek જ narrow viewpoint that I noticed in every meeting in every city. Overnight business curves. And at times what happens if you are into some service sector business or you are in investor or something or you are a financial planner, people will not switch overnight. You have to build that trust into people so that they can shift the business overnight. If you take my business, see, everybody has their travel agents, right? So if I'm your friend today, I cannot expect કે તમે કાલથી મારી પાસે આ summer vacation નું package book કરાવો. You also have your travel agent, you have your person with whom you're working for ages. So it will take time for a person to know you and switch into your business.
Right.
So this was one, but other than that, females has all those capacities that આપણે males વિચારી પણ ના શકીએ કે આટલું conversation 3 કલાક unknown સાથે I'm sure none of the male can sit for 3 hours with an unknown person. A female can do that very well.
Right.
When it comes to collaborations they are very good. When it comes to their confidence level they are very good. But this mindset is something that needs to be changed. That is what I've learned over these 3 years.
You having done a lot of things and you have so many qualities. I personally feel that you've been heading a group and you've been handling finance and you're doing so many things. What is your next step or what do you think a female should update herself in a sector ma update thawun જોઈએ?
In travel sector or in the networking sector?
In any sector, like even which is your favorite thing, like rather than traveling, because you are into so many things, right? બહુ બધી ચીજોમાં સાથે, but what, see, if I ask you what's your hobby, you'll say I like traveling.
Yeah.
But वो traveling को चौकड़ी मार देते हैं. So what else do you like and what do you think that a female should update herself in, because you were dealing so many females?
See, when it comes to updation, I feel, and what I also try to do is a lot of research and network, a lot of research કે તમારું study, not only for your sector or business, which I feel is very important. Like every female should at least have that 1.5 hour of me time જે લોકો પોતે ભલે એનું grooming હોય. You learn some makeup things or if you're not good into that. But learning, I feel, which is very important for a female to have throughout the life. પછી ભલે એ learning cooking નું હોય યા any other subjects or anything. Because what happens these days, if you see 90% of business is women. So when they appear into a business meeting or when they go to a networking group or even when they come to a travel, I'll give you an example. એક ફિમેલમાં જે knowledge કે જે upgradation જે એ લોકોને learning નથી કરતા. Because when I see people coming into travels, what will they say? કે અમને ફરવા જવું છે, તમે ડેસ્ટિનેશન ગોતીને આપો. સો ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ દેટ વોટ આઈ ફીલ એઝ અ ફિમેલ તમારી પાસે 5 ડેસ્ટિનેશન્સ હોવા જોઈએ, તમને નોલેજ હોવું જોઈએ. ઓર ઇવન ઇફ યુ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ અ ડેસ્ટિનેશન, તમે ફેમિલી સાથે ફરવા જાઓ છો, ધીઝ ડેઝ ટ્રાવેલ ઇઝ નોટ ઓનલી અબાઉટ ડેસ્ટિનેશન, ઇટ ઇઝ મચ બિયોન્ડ ડેસ્ટિનેશન. કોઈ પણ સિટી, તમે વિયેતનામ, કોઈ પણ કન્ટ્રી લ્યો, તમે વિયેતનામ લ્યો, ઇટ્સ નોટ જસ્ટ અ ડેસ્ટિનેશન. ઇટ હેઝ અ લોટ ઓફ કલ્ચર, ઇટ હેઝ અ લોટ ઓફ ફૂડ આઇટમ્સ ઓર મેની અધર થિંગ્સ દેટ ઇઝ જસ્ટ બિયોન્ડ વિયેતનામ. તો વોટ આઈ ફીલ ઇન અ ફિમેલ કે એ લોકોનું લર્નિંગ પાર્ટ છે ને, અને વિચ ઇવન હું એઝ અ મધર ઓર એઝ અ હાઉસવાઈફ એ ઘણીવાર ઇગ્નોર કરતી હોય, ચલ છોડ નહીં, ઇટ્સ ઓકે. બટ લર્નિંગ શુડ બી મેડ એન અ મેન્ડેટરી પાર્ટ ઓફ એવરી ફિમેલ એવરી ડે. That is what I feel.
Right. So, what do you suggest people? Mountains or beaches?
I'm a mountain person.
Okay. Short trip or a long trip?
Any trip which satisfy your soul, may it be short or a long, but it should satisfy your soul. At the end, if you're coming back from a trip, it should be કે ના મારી lifelong memories છે.
What do you prefer? Education with no networking or networking with little education?
Networking with little education.
Okay, so networking is so important.
It
for
is
you.
very important. And these days, if you see the market, there's nothing beyond networking. Like, how will you meet different people? એક બધાની એક લિમિટેશન હોય. જેમ કે I know 50 people around me. If I'm doing networking, maybe I meet 10 more people, but એ લોકોના 10 બીજા contacts will be my, they could be my prospect clients. So networking is an integral part of any business these days.
Would you like to say anything to the audience who, like you, has gone through a tough time in finance and they're trying to come up? So, any message you want to tell them?
My experience and my message would be that time passes any which ways. If you are confident and if you believe into it, it will go, definitely. See, no time is going to stay, whether good or bad. It's just about the patience and how you overcome into it. But one day it will definitely come back, and at that day you should feel that you have bounced back better than what you were.
Right. It was so nice talking to you, Sapna.
Thank you so much. Thank you.